So, Julia Walky talks from underneath the Vogel Brolly. I love my Vogel Brolly. Echinacea. I mean, I didn't plan this pink malarkey. The hat, the beanie, was a gift from an old friend, TC, for my birthday, for Christmas. I think it was Christmas, can't remember. Pink scarf is also from TC. So, and then Vogel Brolly. Well, I've had a Vogel Brolly that had hypericum. Must have had it for about 14 years, and it finally collapsed on me. These are amazing, these Brollies. Finally collapsed on me, and very, very kindly I got another one with echinacea on it, which is my go-to echinacea. If you've never heard me talk about echinacea, you will soon enough. But echinacea is it's actually from the daisy plant, and anybody who knows me will always know that I have an echinacea throat spray, one in my bag, one by my bed, one in the cupboard, always hanging around somewhere. It's my go-to thing for this time of year, but actually for any time of year. Highly recommend echinacea. And I particularly love the Vogel brand because the tinctures, it's a very wholesome company. I'm not affiliated in any way. I just love them and have done for the last 35 years. I think they're very ethically minded, the way they're harvesting, the way they grow their herbs. It's definitely in my rebalancing toolkit. I've just had notification that the proof of my book is on the way, and it could be arriving anytime soon. So I'm going to get this walk out the way, and you never know. Gosh, all that work to see the real thing in proof. I mean, it can still change, but I can't quite get over it. It's nearly going to be here. So anyway, that's enough of me in my pink get up and Walky Talky Jules in pink mode. Bye.